In this shoutout review, I'm going to walk you through the software and I'm going to show you everything you need to know step by step. So what is actually shoutout? Shoutout collects recorded customer feedback and automatically generate branded video content with B-roll, graphic and subtitle. You can also collect recorded testimonial, NPS score, audio clips and photo via link, QR code or embedded widgets. So without wasting much time, let me jump into the screen and show you ShoutOut itself. But before that, if you want to purchase ShoutOut, I actually have a link in my description box. Go ahead and use my link in the description box. So what you're actually looking at is actually the ShoutOut interface. So from here, you can actually see the organization, my name, the plans, project, total videos, the days of join. You can also see the number of usage and how many projects remaining. You can actually see the recent project and those. And over here is actually the project templates. So the first thing which I'm going to show you is actually the setting itself. Okay. So for setting, there's actually organization, payment, social account. You can actually connect to your Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Slack, and trust this itself. There's also partner program and also create your custom link. So for project templates, now this demo, I'm going to use testimonial. Just click into that. You can actually see tons of testimonial templates over here. So for this demo, I'm going to use short testimonial square. Okay. If let's say you want to use this as a your project, you just add into my account. Okay. So this project will be copied under here itself. Okay. Okay. Let me just show you the video itself. Okay. Let me just click into this. You can actually see the video over here. Let me just show you the video. Let me just enlarge it. And then I just press play. It's actually a 12-second video. Okay.
Hello, this is your ShoutOut test video.
Okay, so this is actually a very short video over here. So in order to edit the video, you can actually press modify, or you can actually clone it, disable it, or also delete it as well. Okay, so let me just press modify itself. So what you're actually looking at is actually the editor itself. Okay. So on the top is actually step by step. You can actually add in your logo first, then your music, your intro, contributor, outro, your transition, setting, and social share. Okay. So let me just start from the logo itself. So for logo, you can actually have a default. You can choose from list. There's actually different type of category. Okay, different type of category. Or you can actually upload your own logo over here. Okay. So let's say you already, let me just choose the default for now for this demo. Okay, so moving on to music, let me just click into this. There's right now for this template, there's actually no music, or you can actually choose from list. From list is actually from ShoutOut itself. You can actually choose the music volume low, medium, high, or very high. You can actually have a filter type. You can actually different type of filter. Okay, let me just use this. For this, let me just use this music for this demo itself. Okay, let me just play the music actually here. Alright, let me just use this itself. Okay, so moving on the top, you can actually go on to your intro. Okay, so this is the intro video which you saw earlier on. Okay, you can actually see a short testimonial over here. Okay, so for the video, you can actually choose, you can actually upload at your end, or you can actually choose from this. So there's actually different type of category. Okay, let me just choose business, and so maybe conference. Okay, let me just use this video itself. Let me just change the video so you can actually see the effects. Say this is a video which I actually selected. It's changed immediately. Okay, then once after that, you can actually change your frame. There's actually different type of frames over here. There's actually tons of frames, so you can actually choose the frames or this type of frames. All right. So once it's done, you can also add in a logo for your intro. You can actually place a logo on your intro and also the text itself. So the text, you can actually change the text itself, testimonial, and then you can actually change the font, the size, everything is actually done over here. Okay, if you want to add more text, of course you can go ahead and add in more text at your end as well. Okay, so moving on from intro, go into the contributor. So the contributor, so you can actually see this is actually the contributor. So from here, you can actually add in the, you can actually edit the contributor. You can actually crop the video. You can actually add in a frame as well. So from this, you can actually choose, okay, the logo as well, the text, the caption as well. So for the video caption, you can actually put in name, job title or company, or name custom visible heading, or star review. So you can actually add in your label. You can actually choose the background and the color. So there's actually background color, detail color, fonts color, and the font size, regular fonts, and also the duration itself. Okay. So after that, once you adjust everything over here for this contributor, okay, you can actually proceed to do your outro video. Okay, outro video is also the same. You can actually have the from list itself. You can choose the frame, the logo, and also the text. Okay, so after this, you can actually move on to the transition. Okay, there's actually different type of transition over here. You can actually see. Then also transition duration. Okay, you can actually choose the transition from intro to contributor video or to outro. Okay, so moving on to the setting itself. Okay, so the setting itself, there's some video option. You can actually toggle on and off subtitle, the maximum user video duration, some privacy, invite link mode. Okay, you can actually toggle on and off as well. So there's actually invite link settings, the language itself. So request contributor information. You can actually request their email. You can actually toggle all these things as well. So some social as well. You can actually hashtag Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok itself, and some email notification. So notify your team when video are created. You can actually add in their email as well. Okay. So once it's done, go on to the last step. Is actually the social itself. So there's actually some social share, and some shareable link, and native shareable via dashboard itself. Okay, so once you're happy with all these settings on top over here, you can actually save and exit itself. Okay, so let me go back to the screen, to the main screen itself. Okay, so this is actually the project which you've done earlier on. So you can actually see ShoutOut Video is actually very simple to use platform to collect your recorded testimonial from your client itself. Okay, so the next thing which I'm going to show you is actually the ShoutOut price itself. Okay, let me jump into the price. So this is actually a appsumo deal. So the feature includes in all plan is automatic video production with template-based workflow, send out invites to gather video and photos, editable intro, outro, text name, caption and overlay, automatic editable subtitle, native and scheduled social sharing, edit video combined into compilation video, video review with star rating, video gallery and playlist, branded affiliate page. So for tier 1, it's actually $69, one-time purchase and lifetime deal. So you can actually have all featured above, on user, 1 hour automatic video creation per month and 5 projects. If you want to upgrade to second tier, it's actually $139, 2 user, 4 hours and 10 projects and 10 child account. Okay, if you want to upgrade to third tier, it's actually $209. You actually more user, 7 hours of automated video creation, 50 project, 50 child account. You can actually use on webhooks, customized data collections, API access, enhanced branding options, custom fonts, enhanced analytics and reporting, and custom terms and condition as well. Okay, so there's actually 3 tiers over here. So I will actually suggest you actually get the third tier, where you have actually more features and more application to use. So if you want to purchase ShoutOut, go ahead and use my link in the description box. Okay, so it comes to my end of this ShoutOut review. I actually hope you learned something from me. And if you want to watch more software review, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So to the next review, I will see you. Meanwhile, take care and goodbye.